Hello everybody, if you want to see how I got these gorgeous 2-strand twists on some locks, then stay tuned. I have you covered. This was 9 months ago. Look how much his hair has grown in 9 months. So just stay on your lock journey. Your hair will grow and thicken up. So this is his hair before. He has 210 locks. And yes, 210 locks. So we're going to make 105 2-strand twists with these. So the first thing I want to do is just grab the hair that I want, preferably in equal numbers since we're doing 2-strand twists. And then this is the locking gel that I am using. I'm putting that at the root in the scalp of his hair. I'm combing in that product, and then I'm using the back of the comb to kind of smooth in that product. Now I am just cleaning up my parts right here, and remember, I'm just taking 2 strands and 2-strand twisting the hair. Now I'm going between the parts as well and applying that lock-in gel. So the first thing you want to do is to get that hair, get that product, and once again, you just want to make sure it is smooth and combed through. Once it is combed through and you feel resistance, then you want to start twisting the hair. I am twisting towards the left, and each strand that I do, I'll do it in the same way. So the next one I will also be doing towards the left as well. And then after I get through twisting the hair, as a retwist, to the left, I'm going to take those strands and I'm going to crisscross over to the right. And you'll see me going over each of the locks, creating a 2-strand twist. So once again, it is both twisted to the left, and then I just want to take one of his locks and cross it over in the opposite direction on top of the other, creating a perfect 2-strand twist. And I'm just going to complete the process until I get to the end of his hair. And this is not sped up, so you can see in real time about how long it will take to do each 2-strand twist. Once I get to the end of the hair, I'm just going to take those 2 strands that I have twisted together and just kind of use my finger and just swirl the end of the hair a little bit just to kind of protect it. Now I'm grabbing a rubber band, and I am going to place that rubber band at the tip of his hair, but I'm going to also take the tip of his hair and kind of protect his ends and curl it up and continue to apply that rubber band on the tip of his hair. Now I am going to just kind of repeat the process. I'm just cleaning up his part again, getting that hair out the way so I can do a retwist. But after the retwist, I'm gonna of course do the 2-strand twist. So once again, all you're doing is cleaning up that part, getting your comb, combing through until you meet resistance. And I am twirling that comb to the left again, and then I'm gonna do the other one in the same direction and just continue the process. We're just going to continue to do this process throughout his head, and once you are completely done with all the 2-strand twists on his locks, all you want to do is grab you some Nairobi setting foam and put it on your hair and sit under the dryer for about 10 minutes. And this is the finished result. So if you like this video and you seen that it was helpful, then please like, subscribe, and share to the YouTube channel. Y'all have a great, blessed, productive day.